Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm here with my DJI Spark. Kind of a windy day. Second day of spring. So, you know, figured I'd take it for a little flight. You guys remember that crazy winter flight I sort of did? It was over there in that baseball field right there, that baseball diamond. Yeah, it didn't quite work out, so I'm on top of the hill right beside the baseball diamond this time. So, let's take it for a flight, man. DJI Spark. Alright. It is windy. Look at that. Come closer to me. Man. Yep. Tossing it around again. Not as bad as the winter flight though, I'll tell you that. Look at that, man. One thing about the times lately, it's super windy. Alright, let's go up. Alright. Check out my neighborhood. Let's fly around for a bit, guys. I got 87% battery. I used to fly my Explorer, Phantom. This is one of my first flying spots, man. Going for a leisurely flight, you know what I mean? No big deal. The Spark is fast, man. You guys saw those videos when I was, you know, in the Caribbean. On that cruise, and I went to like 5 different islands. Yeah, those were some awesome flights, man. Alright. My neighborhood, man. Alright. That's it, guys. Here we go. Alright. Thanks for flying with me, guys. See you guys on the next video.